Expert prediction, one of the crypto expert actually predicted that Terra Classic is set to drop over $100 million market cap. Yes, very soon. That over $100 million market cap. If you remove $100 million right now from Terra Classic, Luna will be trading between 300 plus. It will further drop below the top 100. And if 100 million is being removed from Terra Classic, it means 50%, let's say between 30% to another 100% more possible for that particular coin to drop more, because if you see a coin drops $100 million within few period, most investors, most people that have money invested on that particular coin might be scared, and they might start removing their investment. It will further affect the coin to drop more 30% to 100%. Now, this is because these experts, based on predictions, will believe that Luna is no longer attracting huge investors anymore. Now, there's some coins that have come up to take place. People are rushing to buy and invest on these coins. Like you see, they got launched today, and you see what is happening already. So many coins, PP coin, EP coin, so many coins have really pumped out, which have drawn the attention. Okay, as of late last year and early this year, Luna has remained the top trading coin on CoinMarketCap, which means people were searching, people want to know more about Terra Classic. It's no longer like that. So Luna was really popular. Okay, right now that popularity have diverted to other crypto coins. So it will be difficult to attract huge buyers and traders and holders and stakers. It will be very difficult for Terra Classic LUNC. So this is why they believe that more drop is coming for Terra Classic coin. Terra Classic coin is definitely going to drop more market cap very soon, because many people are now investing in other crypto coins, especially the new crypto coin that just emerged. But I still believe, well, it all depends on BTC development. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can hit massively, it will help so many coins to rise. It also affects Terra Classic positive to follow up and rise. But for now, I believe Luna just need to burn. But if they can achieve that, imagine dropping over $100 million market cap. It will further bring Terra Classic market cap to drop below 300, maybe 200 to 250 million, which I believe for one to decide to make money again with Terra Classic is going to be difficult, because the popularity, people who really trust the coin, they are no longer there. People are now looking up to other coins or other new coins that are doing well, that are bringing in profit, bringing in gain. That is what people are looking at. People are withdrawing their money, investing on these particular coins. So it all depends, but let's just watch and see how it goes. But if you see hold Terra Classic coin where it's still good, but do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.